Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Dr. Kevin Blumenthal. As many of you know, he is very, very active with our practice. He does a lot of good work, and he is actually the medical, one of our senior physicians there at the office in Bethesda, Maryland. So really happy that he came back today. As you can see from his before pictures, he is very different now with his hairline, and he had a single pass, and now he's here for a second pass, kind of that high definition hairline. And honestly, you know, he's in the industry, so I think for him, it's both. I mean, he wanted the hair, but also just to sort of show people what 1 and 2%. And he also wants to go through it so he can relate to his patients as well. So, Kevin, you know, tell us about your journey. You know, obviously you're in the industry, and you know, how was it, and how do you know, what do you think about your results, and tell us why you're doing a second pass.
Yeah, man, I mean, a lot of what you said, I loved the first one. It really changed the whole framework of my face, my profile, gave me a lot more confidence, you know, all the stuff you usually hear with patients. I can wear my hair in any variety I want. I typically, with it longer now, I like to just pull it back. I think it looks nice and natural, like it should for a 40-year-old guy, as opposed to what I was before. It looked like a 50 or 60-year-old guy. And so I love it. I just, you know, what I want is just what I call a second coat of paint. That's what I talk with my patients about. And sometimes one coat of paint is enough. Sometimes you want two. And I feel like I want a second coat of paint just to give it a little bit more fullness. I don't think I have to, but I want to.
Yep.
And I love it. It's just really changed my life over the last year.
Yeah. I love that paint coat analogy. I'm going to start using that, man. That actually makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So let me just kind of zoom in here so we can get some real, you know, and we actually built out his temple. So, and you'll see from the before pictures, I'll just put them side by side so people can really appreciate it. And it's funny, you know, you get so used to the hair that sometimes you don't realize until you look at the old pictures or your old social media or something that you're like, holy smacks.
I knew it changed, and then I looked back at sort of the initial photo that started this when I saw it, and it was a dramatic change.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just going to sit in. There we go. So we're basically doing the same plan as before. And just so you know, Dr. Blumenthal's video, his initial surgery day video is on our website as well. So if you want to check that out, we'll put a link down below. So Kevin, thanks for letting us follow along today again. And
awesome.
Really looking forward. And thank you for all the hard work you do here. And, you know, it's awesome to be able to change people's lives. And awesome, man. All right.
All right. Check in later.
Yep. Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants, here with Kevin. At this point in the surgery, we have taken out his strip. We actually took out his old scar this time, so he still has the same amount of scar tissue as last surgery. And then we've sewed him together in the back, and he is just chilling, just took a little walk, stretched his legs. How's the day going so far, Kev?
Good, man.
Cool.
Good. Ready for my nap.
Yeah, excellent.
Lay back and knock out.
Got a little bit of Valium just to kind of help with the nerves, and it's kind of, I was going to show, go ahead.
Yeah,
okay.
So I'm feeling very comfortable.
Feeling good, right? Yeah,
Yep.
good. So you can see this is the area that we're doing today. And I just want to show people the suture line. Literally just sewed it together a couple minutes ago, all the way around, just one line. So you can have the same amount of scar tissue as before. But very, very happy with how things are going so far. And thanks for updating everybody, man. Cool. Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. We're here with Dr. Blumenthal, one of our doctors here at the Natural Transplants Maryland office. And he just finished his second surgery, and I think he slept for about half of it. So the Valium kind of caught up to him, but he is feeling good. Not too much pain right now, right?
Not much at all.
Tell us about the day today.
It's patients often tell me that it really wasn't a bad day, and I always find that hard to believe, but it really wasn't. It was borderline pleasant. I had a great time. Nice sleep.
Awesome.
Listen to some music, and just drifted off for most of the day. Really
cool.
The only hard parts the shots, and
you
know, just find your happy zen place, and once that's done, the rest of the day you're just kind of chilling.
Cool. I'm going to still off your hair a little bit here, or your new hair. He did allow us to shave the area away, obviously, so but you can see how we jam-packed this area in, and it is going to be awesome. You can kind of see how it's going to reframe his face. And a lot of his old hair actually will grow back right away, so hopefully it'll be a little easier getting back to normal this time than last time. So awesome, man. Well, thanks for sharing your day, and obviously we can't wait to see your results, man. That's really what I'm excited about.
I'll do a little blog or something and keep everybody updated.
Cool. Thanks again.
Awesome, man.
Yep. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.